There's something going on. There's a helicopter blocking the bridge. A lot of stuff going on right now. We don't know. Wait, look at that, guys. The helicopter's coming to the bridge. Wow. No, it's NYPD. Wait. He's looking for somebody. Looks like he's following us. They just opened the door on it, look. Something's underneath us. What's going on, fellas? What's going on? Why is he following us? Look. Oh, he's following us. Look how close is he to the bridge. Something's going on. This is something else. Okay, no, put 10-10 win. Put channel 10 up. Yeah, put 10-10 up. Yeah. No, this way. Change the channel. Where'd he go? He went underneath the bridge. Boy, fellas, we're about to see something crazy right now. We're right on it. There he goes.
Right here, look.
There he goes.
Where is he?
Wow.
That was scary.
No, he's still coming. He's coming around. He's going over the bridge. He's coming on our side now.
Coming on our side.
Look, he's coming on our side. Look. Don't record it. Well, he's coming on our side. You see him? There he comes. Go, they'll record him.
Brinkley made a U-turn, took off the wrong way, saying he hit a van and then another car. This witness says she's shocked the driver made it out alive. The car totally you can recognize Kimberly Langle.
He's close. He won't go.
Record him. Just keep on recording him.
He went all the way over there. I can't catch him.
Can't record?